What's up, Tech Nation? Okay, so today we're doing an Apple Watch ripoff. I'm not sure how much you guys use your Apple Watch, but I only use my Apple Watch for alerts on text messages, emails, and stuff like that, and maybe answering a phone call. But that's about it. I don't use it for I do if I'm walking, I'll track my walking. So I do it for a little bit of exercise, but I don't listen to music on my Apple Watch or anything. So I saw this Apple Watch ripoff for like $50, and I had to get it, and I had to show you guys if it's worth it or not, because I think Apple Watch is a top-notch product, but I think they're ripping us off. $500 for a watch. I can tell time by just looking at the sun. So anyway, let's take a look at what arrived at my house. Okay, so this little package arrived in my house. It looks cool from the picture. It looks like it does a heart monitoring. It tracks your exercise, phone calls, messages, and it even monitors your sleep. And it's supposed to stay charged for, what, a week? Isn't that what it said? I have to go back to the ad. So we have no instructions for this. None. All they sent us was this thing here if we need support. They gave us an email, support at getinfodesk.com. So anyway, this is what it looks like. Tammy's opening it up. Can you use Apple bands on it or not?
I don't think so.
No?
No, because they have different insert plugs right there.
Different connectors. Okay, so you can't use Apple Watch bands. Oh, there is a book.
Yeah.
There's a booklet.
Chinese.
What's in Chinese? Okay.
Smart manual right there.
All right, so we're going to power it up and then we're going to try it out. So let's read we got to read the instructions. It does give you an instruction booklet. It's considered a smart wristband, user's manual. Okay, the first thing this watch tells us to do is charge it. So rotate it so we can see everything. Oh, do you think it's on over there?
I don't know. That's how it comes, so I don't know how we're going to charge it.
That's how it comes. So rotate it for me so I can see all sides. So there's no way to charge it?
I don't know.
Can you connect a charger when you can't connect anywhere?
How's the charger going to charge that?
Okay, guys, I figured it out. All right, I really Googled it, but all right, you see how you got USB, that's an external battery charger we have, and that is the phone. And you plug that little device, have to take the watch straps off and slide it into the USB port, and it starts charging. Whoops, there you go. Starts charging right there. So we're gonna let it charge for a while. Then we're gonna come back and film the rest of this video. So remember, take the watch strap off and plug it into a USB port for charging. That's kind of cool. I've never seen that before. Have you?
No.
Okay, we're back to the Fit Pro app download website, and we got the watch charging, so we could now go for the app. Oh, there it is. I don't know what it says, but let's do get. Doesn't have a good rating. It's only 2.7. How many people have rated it? 225 people. So let's take a look here. It looks like it's marketed as an exercise watch or exercise your sleep monitoring. And then, it monitors your walking and everything. It's supposed to tell you also if you get phone calls or text messages. So we'll find out in a minute. But in the meantime, let's get the app. All right, guys, we just finished charging the watch, putting the band back on. I wonder how you order more bands. That's going to be a problem. What do you got there? No.
So that thing pushes to go to different ones.
I'm going to have to link this to my app. So hang on a second. No devices linked. Bind device to experience more features. Okay. Device connection. It's connecting now. Okay. We are now connected to the device. Pairing requested LH719. Yeah, pair. Let's see. Allow your app notifications. Allow. Steps. All right, so that's BPM, beats per minute. That's your heart. You want to model it for us and see if it keeps a good heart rate?
Okay.
Well, I got to test it out.
And sports.
Sports. Message. More. Go back to messages.
Yeah, it doesn't work that way.
You can't go back to messages. Oh, right there. Now tap on him. Doesn't do anything. Okay, no messages have come into the watch yet. So
here,
let's see. Can we change the face?
No, John.
I guess not. You get one look. Okay.
I don't know how to select.
I'll figure that out. All right, so go ahead and text me and let's see what the watch does. I think I kind of like how the Apple Watch stays on all the time. I don't think people want a watch that goes to sleep. I'm not sure. Okay, I just got a message. No message came through. Did it vibrate?
No.
Okay, that's a failure. Choice of watch. Choice of...
I just don't know how.
Oh, she's getting mad now. She's putting it on.
No, I mean, I just don't know how you're going to do
Slamming it
anything.
down. Okay, so you don't get a variety of watch bands. They should have designed it that it would fit the Apple Watch band, and then you can use Apple Watch bands. You don't get messages coming through. We just tried it. We just paired it and tried it. You don't get watch face choices.
I just don't know how you touch on any of this
How do you
stuff.
access that? Is there a wheel or something, button on the side or anything?
No, there's nothing.
Can you press the power thing again? Press power thing again.
You have to hold it.
You gotta hold that button. You haven't been very active lately.
No, because I just
0 steps. Okay, that's all right. That alone is very annoying. The UI is really bad. Okay. All right, this is what we learned so far. Apple Watch bands don't work on this fake Apple Watch. You can't change the face of it to look like analog or digital. You just get what they give you. And no messages came through. No steps are being counted. Tammy walked around and checked, and none of the steps are being counted. It's just, and no heart rate. So nothing's working. So that's classified as just kind of a piece of junk. Well, we're out $50, but I thought I'd at least buy one and take a look at it for you guys. So don't think about getting any Apple Watch ripoffs. I do know that Google came out with the new Pixel. I'm going to be looking into that because I'm not happy with the square face of Apple. I think Apple Watch will go round now that the Pixel's out. I believe the next generation of Apple Watch will be round. So that's my prediction. Don't get the fake ripoffs. You get what you pay for, and I overpaid. Okay, you guys take care. We're going to be heading on out of here, and we'll bring you the next tech in the next video, whatever we find, whatever we see, okay? Take care. Bye.